morning class. We'll be looking at geometrical transformation, the subtopic types of transformation, and today we shall be looking at the second type, which is reflection. In our last class, we made mention of translation, but today we'll be looking at reflection. Then the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to explain reflection as a transformation, draw the image under reflection, and also determine the mirror line of reflection. Now, reflection is just a flip movement. That is when you flip across a line. Take for instance, if I have this, I can just flip to this point. That's reflection. I can have it like this, then flip upward like that. That's reflection. So, under reflection, the size of the object and the image are the same, they're identical. So that makes the object and the image to be congruent. Now the object and the image, they are what? They are congruent in nature. Then, in between the object and the image, if I have this to be the object and I have this to be the image, the distance between this point and this point, we have the mirror line in between. The distance from here to this and the distance from here to here are the same. So that's one that you need to know about that. Now, reflection can be done horizontally, it can be done vertically, and it can be done in diagonal form. So under a transformation that is reflection, you need to state the following. That is, it is reflection, and also the equation of the mirror line. That's very important. Then that will take us to the example for the day. Now draw x and y axis for values from -8 to +8. Now we have the triangle ABC in this order. Now we have to draw along these lines. Though, because of our time, I'll just introduce you to one or two of the examples. Now we have the diagram for the different lines. So we have this for y plus x equal to 4, and we also have this for y equal to x minus 3. Then we also have the green for x equal to 2. But because of time constraint, for this, I want to reflect this along this vertical, and this diagonal line. Because the vertical and the horizontal lines, they are easier. But for diagonal, it's a little bit technical. Now, since I want to reflect this along this mirror line, now you look at what we'll do. From this point to this point, I'll be using the blue ink to reflect. From here to this place, I have 1, 2 boxes. That is from here, I have from here to the mirror line, I have 1, 2 boxes. So this is vertical here, and now when it's vertical, the image will be when you move vertically, the image will be what? Will be horizontal. So I have this. From here to here is 2. I have 1, 2, representing my A prime. Then likewise this point. From here to this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point will be my B prime. Now for C, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As at this point, this is my point C. And let me just erase this. So this is my point B. This place is my point B. Sorry, this is point A. So now joining this point, that will give us our triangle 2. So Like the same thing, you move here to get for the red, and also for this now, for the vertical, you just move 3 and 3 in that order. So when you do that, you get the diagrams for everything. So I implore you to go back to the Google Classroom for more examples. God bless you.